Many Fitbit Versa owners complain that their watch seems to require charges more often due to fast battery drain. While this is definitely an issue for a few years now with many other Fitbit devices, new Fitbit Versa devices should not display this problem at all. If you think that you have a bad battery life on your Fitbit Versa, learn what you must do to deal with it. First, charge your Fitbit Versa properly. Your Fitbit Versa needs about 2 hours to charge from 0% to 100%. Make sure that you don't leave the device connected to the charger long after it has reached 100%. If you are fond of leaving your Fitbit charging overnight, that's one of the surest ways to kill the battery early. Also, make sure that you charge only in normal room temperature. Charging in extreme cold or heat below 32 degrees Fahrenheit and above 113 degrees Fahrenheit below 0 degrees Celsius and above 45 degrees Celsius can damage the battery in the long run. Next, minimize waking up the screen. The Fitbit Versa has a screen wake feature that lets it turn the screen back on if you turn your wrist, like what you do when looking for time on a regular watch. If you turn your wrist a lot during the day, you might want to consider turning this feature off to save battery power. When you set screen wake to auto motion, the screen turns on each time you turn your wrist. When you set screen wake to manual button, press the button to turn on the screen. We suggest that you pick the manual option if you want to turn off screen wake up. Next, lower screen brightness level. Dimming the screen on your Fitbit Versa is another sure way of conserving battery power. Adjust brightness level by tapping brightness you want to select dim. Next, use Do Not Disturb. This feature prevents your phone from sending notifications. If your phone has DND or Do Not Disturb feature, go under your phone's settings menu and enable the feature from there. Once DND is enabled, no notifications will be forwarded to your Versa. Next, don't use animated clock face. If you've been using colorful, animated clock faces for variety, you should consider stopping the practice if your priority is to conserve battery. Try using the simpler ones. Next, restart your device. Your Versa can benefit from a restart whether it is having an issue or not. If your Fitbit Versa still has battery drain issue at this point and you haven't rebooted yet, make sure that you do. Just swipe left on the screen until you see Settings. Tap Settings, scroll down and tap About. Select Shutdown. Tap Yes to confirm shutdown. Lastly, restore software to defaults. In case your Fitbit Versa continues to show signs of battery drain even after doing all the tricks, you should consider wiping the device with a factory reset. There may be an unknown software bug that causes abnormal battery or software activity in the background that we're not aware of. We've seen factory reset to help in fixing battery issues in many Fitbit devices in the past, so be sure to give this a try. Don't forget, factory reset will return the software to its defaults. This means that all your apps and personal data will be erased from the device, including cards you added under wallets. Try syncing your Versa to your phone ahead of time so you won't lose your data once you set your Fitbit account up after the reset. That's it. We hope this video is helpful to you. Please like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more troubleshooting videos.